जय हिंद, नमस्कार, good evening. Friends, reality can't remain hidden for a long time. And today, the real cat is out of the bag of Aap Party. Yes, I feel that this Bhagwant Maan, Man means honor or Man means मान गया, मतलब he's agreed. So this Bhagwant Maan ultimately agreed to speak out the reality in relation to the farmers' movement. He held a 2 hours meeting with the farmers and got so disgruntled and angry that he shouted that if you have to sit on dharna and you have to sit on the rail line, squat there, why you wasted my 2 hours? Wasted 2 hours? This same Bhagwant Maan, under the directives of his great, truthful, the most honest leader of India, Arvind Kejriwal, had not only supported the farmers' movement, the dharnas, the strikes, the protests, the marches by the farmers to Delhi, but very actively had instigated them to go and himself made, I think, at least 50 statements on that. And today, he's saying, don't take my leniency as my weakness. मेरी कमजोरी मत समझो. And his police is raiding the houses of the farmers. His police is arresting the farmers. Why? Simple reason. They can shout against the center and the BJP government. But what they have to do for the farmers under their own government in the state, they can't do. Same way Kejriwal had fooled the farmers in Delhi. I'll do this for this, I'll do this for you and this and that. But why this is happening? Because these anarchists have nothing to do with the peasants, the farmer. They only have to use that, to use their genuine problems, to stir them, to provoke them, to fight them, create anarchy. Because where is Yogendra Yadav now? With that Prashant Bhushan, that 1 rupee Auqat wala lawyer of the Supreme Court. Why isn't he joining the Punjab farmers there? Where is the PFI? Where are the Maoists? Where is the Tukde gang? Where are those who are shouting, "Hum leke rahenge azadi"? In the farmers' agitation in Delhi, where are all those? Or where are those old ladies of Shaheen Bagh who had gone to join the farmers in Delhi? Now aren't they going to Punjab? Where are the Congress leaders? Where is Salman Khurshid? Or Rahul Gandhi? Or Khadge? Where are they? Because their whole agenda was not to settle the farmers' issues. If the Congress governments had paid attention to farmer issues, the farmers would not have been sitting like this today. Since so many years. And then when genuine attempts are made to solve the farmer issues, this Bhagwant Maan can't sit and talk with them for 2 hours. And the Central Agriculture Minister called meetings after meetings which lasted hours after hours to come to a resolution. And why Bhagwant Maan can't sit is because they don't want a solution. And they don't have a solution. Only thing Bhagwant Maan can do is spend hours and hours before the camera every day make his advertisements. मैं जी भगवंत मान, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, and waste crores of public money of Punjab for promoting his own personality and his own picture and his own chief ministership, along with that of his anarchist leader, Arvind Kejriwal. So now today it has come to threats. I had told these Kisan leaders, these farmer leaders at that time only when they were having their movement, remain to your genuine demands. And don't let these power-lusty politicians enter your movement. This is not new. Since I have worked on peasant movements, my first research was on Awadh peasant movement. These people use the farmers to their own interest. And after a point, will leave them out. And that is what they are doing now. All this Congress, anarchists, PFI, this, what are these other organizations of these Tukde gang and all those things. So, Mr. Bhagwant Maan, let me see what you do now, because another aspect is going to come very soon to you. The conversions which are taking place in Punjab, that is chingi, what they call it, what is going on, that is also going to be a serious thing. So, Mr. Maan, if you really want to survive in politics and want to do something, then don't imitate your president, Arvind Kejriwal. Don't do notanki like him. Act to solve the problems, or else, like Delhi, the people are just waiting to give you a big bye-bye. Not hi-bye, but bye-bye. Dafa over. Enna no dafa karo. Throw them out. That is what the people will go do to you by using their weapon of vote. And the day is not very far. Not very far. Jai Hind.